It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. It's well equipped with the features you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, command integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilting steering column, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, and LED low and high beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value